Have you ever dreamed of having a successful YouTube channel and earning money from it? Welcome to the realm of digital possibilities where dreams can become reality. Picture this. You, as a thriving YouTuber, making a significant income from the comfort of your home. Sound enticing? Today we're going to explore the potential of YouTube as a platform for financial gain. We'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to kickstarting your YouTube journey and monetizing it within just 60 days. Stay with us as we unveil the secrets to creating a successful YouTube channel. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand what YouTube is all about. At its core, YouTube is a platform that allows anyone, anywhere, to share their stories, ideas, and creativity with the world. It's a space that thrives on diversity and individuality, and it's here where you can express yourself freely and let your imagination run wild. YouTube is more than just a video sharing platform. It's a thriving community of content creators and viewers alike. It's a place where you can learn a new skill, laugh at a comedic skit, get lost in a gripping documentary, or even discover a new favorite musician. Its importance as a platform for content creators cannot be overstated. YouTube reaches more than 2 billion users worldwide and is the second most visited site after Google. It's a platform that can turn passionate creators into global influencers. The beauty of YouTube lies in its variety. There's a genre for everyone. You have gaming channels, beauty vlogs, tech reviews, cooking tutorials, educational channels, fitness advice, and so much more. There's no limit to what you can create. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that resonates with your viewers. Now let's talk about trends. Trends on YouTube are ever-changing, driven by the interests and passions of its global community. One day, it could be a viral dance challenge. The next, it could be a heartfelt social experiment. Being aware of these trends and incorporating them into your content can help increase your visibility on the platform. But remember, while trends can give your channel a boost, authenticity should never be compromised. Viewers can tell when you're passionate about what you're sharing, and that genuine enthusiasm can be infectious. YouTube is a canvas for your creativity, a stage for your talents, and a platform for your voice. It's a world of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Now that we have a basic understanding of YouTube, we can proceed to the next step. Setting up your YouTube channel is the first practical step towards your dream. This is where the magic begins, where your ideas start to take shape and form. It's like painting on a blank canvas, except this canvas is your YouTube channel, and your paintbrush is your passion. Let's start with the basics, creating your channel. You'll need a Google account to do this. Once you're logged in, navigate to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. It's as simple as that. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have your channel set up in no time. Now let's talk about the name. The name of your channel is crucial. It's the first thing people see, and it should give them an idea of what your content is about. Do you want it to reflect your personality, your content, maybe a clever pun or a play on words? Take your time with this. Brainstorm, jot down ideas, and when you find that perfect name, you'll know it. Next up is the description. This is your opportunity to tell your audience who you are and what they can expect from your channel. Be clear, be concise, and remember to infuse a bit of your personality into it. This is also a great place to include any social media links or contact information. Now we move on to channel art. This includes your profile picture and banner. These visuals are essential as they set the tone and aesthetic of your channel. Think of them as your channel's virtual shop window. Make them appealing. Make them represent your content, and, most importantly, make them uniquely you. We're almost done. The final step is to adjust your privacy settings. Do you want your likes and subscriptions to be public? What about your playlists? Make sure you're comfortable with your settings before you move forward. Congratulations, your YouTube channel is now set up. Let's move on to the next step. You've taken the first leap into the world of YouTube. Now, it's time to fill that channel with engaging, exciting content. Are you ready? Of course you are, let's keep going. Content is king on YouTube. Let's delve into content creation. When it comes to YouTube, your content is your currency. It's what draws viewers in and keeps them coming back for more. But what does it mean to create quality content? Well, it's not just about high-definition videos and flashy editing, though those certainly don't hurt. It's about delivering value to your viewers, whether that's in the form of entertainment, education, or both. You see, the most successful YouTubers aren't just creating content for the sake of it, they're creating content that their audience wants to see. And to do that, you need to understand your audience. What are their interests, their needs, their pain points? Once you've identified these, you can start creating content that addresses them. This is where tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own analytics can come in handy, helping you to identify what's trending and what your audience is responding to. But creating quality content isn't just about what you make, it's also about how often you make it. Consistency is key on YouTube. If you're only uploading sporadically, it's going to be much harder to build an audience. So, set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every day, make sure your audience knows when they can expect new content from you. This not only helps to keep your viewers engaged, but it also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're an active creator, which can help to boost your visibility on the platform. Remember, creating content is a process. It's about experimenting, learning, and refining. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works. After all, the beauty of YouTube is that it's a platform for creativity and innovation. So, keep an eye on the trends, listen to your audience, and most importantly, create content that you're passionate about. Because if you're not excited about what you're making, chances are, your viewers won't be either. Creating compelling content is the backbone of your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about promotion. Creating great content is just half the battle. Let's discuss promoting your videos and using SEO. Now, you've got your channel set up, you've created some fantastic content, but you're not quite done yet. The other half of the equation is making sure people can find and watch your videos. This is where promotion and SEO, or search engine optimization, come into play. Promotion is all about getting your videos in front of as many eyes as possible. There's a world outside of YouTube where your potential viewers are spending their time. It could be on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even on forums and blogs related to your content. Share your videos on these platforms to tap into a larger audience. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content. Remember, the key is to be where your audience is. Moving on to SEO, this is a critical component of your YouTube strategy. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so you want to make sure your videos show up when people search for content like yours. It all begins with understanding your audience and the keywords they use. Keywords are the words and phrases that people type into the search bar. By including these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you make it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video is about and who might be interested in it. Be thoughtful about your video's title. Make it catchy, but also clear and descriptive. Your video description is another place to include keywords and provide context about your video. Tags are basically keywords that you add to your video's details page. They help YouTube associate your video with similar content, which can broaden your video's reach. By properly promoting your videos and using SEO, you can attract more viewers and subscribers. Remember, the more people who find and watch your content, the closer you get to monetizing your channel. Now that you've set up your channel and started creating content, it's time to talk about the exciting part: monetization. Monetization, in essence, is the process of converting your creativity and hard work into tangible rewards. It's the sweet spot where your passion meets profit, and it's easier to achieve than you might think. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common method is through ad revenue. YouTube allows you to display ads on your videos, and you earn a portion of the revenue generated from these advertisements. To qualify for this, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you've reached these milestones, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which will enable ads on your videos. But ad revenue is just the tip of the iceberg. Another lucrative avenue is sponsorships. Once your channel gains traction, brands may approach you to promote their products or services. These partnerships can take different forms, from product placements within your videos to dedicated promotional videos. Remember, it's important to disclose any paid promotions to maintain transparency with your audience. Merchandising is another fantastic way to monetize your YouTube channel. If you have a loyal fan base, you could consider selling merchandise such as branded clothing, mugs, or posters. This not only provides an additional revenue stream, but also strengthens the connection between you and your audience. Now let's delve into how you can enable monetization on YouTube. Firstly, sign into YouTube and select your account icon in the top right. Click on YouTube Studio. In the left menu, select Monetization. If you haven't already applied for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see a prompt to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions, set up AdSense, and set your monetization preferences. Once you've completed these steps, YouTube will review your channel to ensure it complies with their policies and guidelines. If approved, Congratulations! You're now a part of the YouTube Partner Program, and you can start earning money from your videos. Enabling monetization is not a one-time process though. It's essential to consistently produce engaging content and foster a positive relationship with your audience to maintain and grow your revenue streams. Remember, monetization should not be the sole focus of your YouTube journey. It's a vital part, yes, but it should complement, not overshadow, your passion for creating content. A successful YouTube channel strikes a balance between creativity and profitability. Monetizing your channel is the final step to earning from your YouTube channel. Let's wrap up everything we've discussed. Let's recap the steps to starting a successful YouTube channel and monetizing it within 60 days. First, we delved into understanding the world of YouTube. We talked about how the platform works, the importance of knowing your audience, and why it's crucial to identify your niche. Remember, your niche is the cornerstone of your channel. It's what sets you apart from the rest and gets you noticed. It isn't just about picking a random topic, it's about choosing something you're passionate about and can create unique, engaging content for. Next, we discussed setting up your channel. This step might seem straightforward, but remember that your channel is your brand. Everything from your channel name, logo, and description should reflect your brand's personality and values. Make sure your channel is visually appealing and easily recognizable. Then, we moved into content creation. We emphasized the importance of creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. It's not just about uploading videos. It's about crafting a story and connecting with your viewers on a deeper level. Consistency is fundamental here, as it helps build trust with your audience and improves your visibility on the platform. Following that, we explored the world of promotion and SEO. We highlighted the significance of optimizing your videos for search, using the right tags, descriptions, and keywords to make your content discoverable. We also touched on the power of promoting your videos on other social media platforms and leveraging collaborations with other YouTubers. Remember, the more visible your content is, the more viewers you'll attract. Our sixth step was all about monetization. We showed you different ways to monetize your channel, from ad revenue and channel memberships to merchandise sales and sponsorships. We stressed the importance of diversifying your income streams to ensure a steady flow of revenue, even when your views fluctuate. Remember that the YouTube Partner Program is not the only way to make money on YouTube, and it's essential to explore all your options. Now that we've covered the basics, remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistency, determination, and a lot of hard work. It's about being patient and persistent, continuously learning and improving, and never losing sight of why you started in the first place. So as you embark on your YouTube journey, remember these steps. Understand YouTube and find your niche. Set up your channel and make it reflect your brand. Create engaging content consistently. Promote your videos and optimize them for search. Monetize your channel through various income streams. And above all, be patient and persistent. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, promoting, and monetizing your content, and you'll see success. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your YouTube journey.